Guess what? Today is your lucky day, as not only am I going to give you another lesson in Jamaican patois, but I'm also giving you a tiny lesson in Jamaican history. So remember, if you like this series, what you must do is subscribe to the channel so that YouTube will advise you whenever I'm coming on with these stories. And of course, like and share. So just hang tight. Let's deal with a lesson in history today and a lesson in patois. Remember, after I do my commentary in patois, I do tell you, I give you an overview in English about what I said. Okay? So hang tight. Some people call female goat nanny, but I know that me I go chat about today. Me I go tell you about the real gargan named Nanny. They call her Nanny of the Maroons. Out of all the national hero them where Jamaica have, you know, say she are the only female. That not good, you know. Anyway, me not going into that today. Me a feminist, but that a for another day. Now, in the 1600, when the British decide to run the Spanish people out of Jamaica. Remember, after Columbus did come here, come kill off the Taínos, you know, the Spanish people, them did settle here. And them did want people to work the land for them. So then go to Africa, go bring slave come to work for them. Well, in the 1600s now, the English people in Jamaica say, what a pretty place, we want it, and then run out the Spanish. But the slave them where the Spanish them have said, nah man, me nah go make nobody no more white people can take me to slave. Me I go get myself some land and set up my own business. And one of the people who lead that the rebellion, I did Nanny. She take her people them and say, follow me, and go up na the hill them and tell the British to come if you're bad. And when them try come up there, she bust them shut. After a time, the British then find out, say, no, that woman is too bad. She and her people, them, we have to go make them look after them own business, give them independence, so then give them some land and agree that they can run them own business. Because Nanny was such a great warrior, they name enough place after her, you know. You have Nanny Town, that in a Portland. You have Nanny Falls, it's nice there, you know. You have to walk like a bit for go there. But them have a fruit tree on the way. So you can't hungry or thirsty. You and your friend go there and want to bathe and it's nice. And Jamaica call them $500 bill Nanny. So if anybody see a Jamaica and say, give me a Nanny, no, a $500 they want. And if you really want to learn more about Nanny now, really in this business, what you need to do is to take a walk on the Kuna Trail. That the trail run between Blue Mountain and Jankro Mountain. It run from St. Thomas, go up Portland. And at the same maroon them look after it. They keep it nice and then tell you the whole history of Nanny while you walk there with your friend and enjoy and learn about Jamaican history. And guess who are one of the guide them up there, one of the maroon guide? Now Popcorn, Papa, yeah man, Popcorn the DJ, the time me go there man, he tell me more about Popcorn than he tell me about Nanny. But me I tell you, Nanny, I want done it gargan, serious done it. And we need to learn how she did do this thing. All the maroon them respect her. When you go all a compound, you see enough picture of her. When you go a Maroon Town or Moore Town, they call it New Nanny Town. Everything wrong there near Nanny. Big up Nanny, me say. In the previous section, I was telling you about Jamaica's only female national hero. Her name is Nanny of the Maroons. Briefly, the Spanish came to Jamaica first and murdered, killed, overworked the Taínos. And when they needed people to labor on the fields, they went to Africa, of course, and brought slaves. Then when the British saw Jamaica, they decided they wanted it, and they chased out the Spanish. But the Africans said, I am not going to make any more white people turn me into a slave. And they took to the hills and decided to set up their own independent settlements. Of course, the British would have nothing of this. And they tried to conquer them. But people like Nanny, Nanny was foremost in that struggle. And she led her people to victory. The British could not find them. They could not deal with them. And Nanny was one of the main people who led the Maroons. We now have 4 different Maroon settlements in Jamaica. One is in Accompong, one is in St. Mary at Charlestown. Charlestown is in St. Andrew, I believe. One is in St. Mary at Scots Hall, and the most progressive one is in Portland at Moortown, they call it now, or New Nanny Town. As a result of Nanny's heroism, they have named several things after her. You have Nanny Town, which is a village. You have Nanny Falls, a beautiful place to hike to and, just enjoy yourself under the waterfall, and there are lots of fruit trees around. You can enjoy your day with your friends. And of course, the Jamaican $500 bill is named after Nanny. Basically, that's what I spoke about in the previous section. I hope you have gotten your copy of Talk Jamaican by now so that you can understand more about what I'm saying to you in patois. Have yourself a wonderful day, and remember, Talk Jamaican is available at Amazon.com. Until next time.
Man, don't disrespect. I want to get the most of the woman, the man is out smart too. See that? Whoa.
I said let us put man and woman together to find out which one is smarter. Some say men, but I say no. The women be the men, but you should know, and not me. But the people, they say that the men are leading